Hello and welcome back to the TennoShare for DDIG YouTube channel. If you ever open a Word file and somehow gets a pop-up error saying that you need to open or run the text recovery converter, well, that's a super common error, but today I'm gonna show you how to get over it step by step. This text recovery converter is a built-in app or a built-in tool present in Microsoft Office that allow you to recover Word, Excel and even PowerPoint files. However, you can lose some text or even some properties of the file, but however you should be able to recover the files even if you lost some of the details about that file. So today I'm gonna show you how you can recover your files using that Microsoft Office tool, but also with some 2 or 3 more tips to recover your files without losing them. So join me and let's get started. So I'm here on my Mac and I'm gonna show you the first option that can help you to recover your Word file. So the first option is use the Microsoft Word itself, and you just need to go to your Microsoft Word right here, and basically you just need to click on File, Open, and select the file itself. Mine is on my desktop, and there we go. And you just need to do another step before try to open the file, which is click on Repair and click on Open. And as you can see, just a couple seconds later, the Word itself repaired the file. Of course, here it attempts and was successful, repaired the structure and all of the text of this file, but you may have some text missing or even some formatting missing, but this is the method that normally works fine for the corrupted files repair. Of course, here once you open the file, it's a safe option to go here and select save to a safe location, perhaps rename the file so you can't have any troubles again. So the method 2, or the second method, is if your document is severely corrupted, the text recovery converter by Microsoft Word itself may not be enough, so you can try for DDIG free online document recover. You just need to go to this link that I will leave you in the description, of course, and you can try for DDIG free online document repair, as I was saying. And this tool recovers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF and more in just a few clicks. As you can see, once you open the link, you will be prompted to upload the file. You just need to go to your desktop or the location of the file, upload the file and select repair all, and as you can see, just a couple seconds later the file is done to be saved. You can click on save, download the file, and the file, as you can see, hopefully should open fine as well. And the third method, and perhaps the most complete and of course the most powerful, is install the DDIG file repair app. This app can restore text, image, tables, headers, footers and much more. So let's download the app, install it, and let's take a look. So, and once you open the DDIG file repair app, as you can see, the interface is super simple. You have just 4 options: video repair, photo repair, file repair and audio repair. So today we're gonna take a look at the file repair, but you also have in this left side some cool features with AI. You can improve video qualities, you can improve photo qualities, and you can also colorize videos and photos from black and white to color with the help of AI. But today we're gonna take a look at file repair. So you just need to select file, and as you can see, the next step is also quite simple. Here you can have your corrupted file, so you can go to select your file. As you can see, just have it. It's just a Word file with 38 KB. You can select repair all, and as you can see, it's quite easy and quite simple. Of course, it's a small file just for test purposes, and you can after that click on save all. I'm gonna leave it on the desktop anyway, and as you can see, after the save, it automatically open the folder, and if you try to open the file, as you can see, the file opens without any problem. Of course, these tools or these 3 steps that I show you may or not repair all of the text and may or not repair all of the structure of your file. So, and again, just before we close up the 4DDIG file repair video, among file repair, this app has super cool features like video, photos and audio repairs as well, but this left option right here with AI can do super cool features. So download the app today, take a look, and of course subscribe to the channel for more cool tips like this. But anyway, take a look at least on these AI apps for the video and photo enhancer, and you will be amazed what this app can do with your videos and photos as well. And so that's it. Now you know more about the recovering tool, including in the Microsoft Office, but more important than that, you know the power of the 4DDIG file repair tool. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials. So that's all for today, and I hope I can get you in the next one.